Hi guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this card. So this is a twisted gatefold card with interlocking hearts. So cute. This card was requested by a number of my followers because of this card. This is a twisted gatefold interlocking heart card, but the size of this card is 5.5 by 6 inches. And a lot of my followers couldn't get that into an A2 size. So I designed this one so it looks like this, so that you can get it into an A2 card and mail to all your family and friends for Valentine's Day. Now, this was a process because the first card I made looked like this. It didn't reach. The second card I made looked like this. It was too small. And the next one looked like this. It was too short. I was like totally Goldilocks. And I finally got the perfect design for the card, and I hope you like it. Thanks for making your requests. I love your requests. Keep them coming and I will keep designing for you. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making and crafting tutorials. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make your card. I am going to leave all the measurements for these pieces in the description box. I'll also let you know the size of the pieces as I make the card. Let's put all of these aside, and we're going to do some scoring on the base piece of paper. Your base card is 8.25 by 5.5. We're scoring at 2 3/4 and 5.5. We're also scoring 2 diagonal score lines from here to here and here to here. You line it up at the top here, and then you're lining this previous score line to this one, like so. And you're going to do this on the other side as well. So you're taking your paper, turning it, and doing it again. And that's all the scoring we're doing today. We have some measuring to do to cut down on the wideness of this card here. So this is how you're going to do it. You're going to, so you see the point that starts up here and down here, you're going to measure from the opposite point to where you did the diagonal score line. We're going to measure up this way, and we're going to make a mark at 1 1/8. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Perfect. I want you to grab your paper cutter, and you're going to cut from the tip of this score line to right here. And on the other side. Now you can fill and burnish in all your score lines. Now when you turn this over and put these together, these should fit together perfectly like so. That's 5.5 by 4 1/4. Yeah, so that is the perfect size for an A2 envelope. Let's get started designing this card. So what we're going to do is the same thing like last time. We're going to make interlocking hearts in this card. We have the pieces for the outside that we're going to design. Let me put the card up here, and let's cut these pieces. The piece for the front, we're going to have to do a cut so that it supports this design at the top of the card here. So you're cutting the same 1 1/8 off. So we're going to cut from here to here, here to here, and then we're going to cut it in half for the design. So let's do that. That's one. Let's do the second one. And then let's cut it in half one time. So that's the cut for here. Let's go ahead and cut the other piece one time so we could layer everything at the same time. This one is cutting from the top right to the bottom left. Like so. These two pieces were 2 3/4 by 5.5. The pieces for the inside are The back piece, or layer 1, is 2.5 by 5.25, and the top layer where you'll write your sentiment is 2.25 by 5. Let's layer this card. I'm going to take a moment to erase my markings, and I'm going to do a quick embossing on this piece of paper. So we're going to put it together like this, and I'm going to design it right in here and emboss it right in here. Let's emboss it. I use my big shot machine to make this beautiful impression. So we're going to layer the entire card now. I'm going to start as usual on the front of the card like so. So you're going to grab your glue, and these two pieces are going like this. So let's check the back, and there's always a need to cut off just a tiny sliver off the side of these. So you're going to open your card and just fold this like this, put it in your paper cutter, now that's perfect. And let's see the other side, maybe just a sliver. Now we have something we can work with. Let's put our interlocking hearts. And now you could interlock the hearts like so, and the card should stay closed with the interlocking hearts. See, it's perfect. And this fits perfectly in an A2 envelope. Thanks so much for joining me while I made this super cute A2 twisted gatefold card that fits perfectly into an A2 envelope. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you wouldn't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. And if you'd like to follow my journey to lose 50 pounds this year, be sure to go over to my other channel, Crystal Best Fitness, where I'm sharing lives and videos of my process of losing all the weight. It is so cool. Bye guys.